official, Logan. We've been in this boat shed for 1 year.
It has been interesting.
I'm Taryn, this is Logan, and this is Max. Our life rarely goes as planned, and this story is no different. But we are determined to rebuild our beautiful steel boat, even stronger than she was before. And we're bringing you along with us. So when we hauled out of the water over a year ago, we thought we'd only be out of the water for about 6 to 8 months, and obviously that timeline has been blown out of the water by almost a year. We thought we had a chain locker to rebuild, maybe a few holes to fill in the bulwarks, and hoped that we could get all that done and be back in the water and ready to cruise this past summer.
A very interesting journey, from prepping the boat to get moved, to moving the boat, to going through a crazy fall last year with washed out highways and COVID. It's been an interesting ride. It's been way more than what we had planned.
We've learned a ton. We've learned so much that we didn't even know we needed to know. It's been, I think, a tough year. It's been a lot of personal growth, a lot of challenges on top of the physical work that we've actually done on the boat. But it's definitely also given us a lot in return. And I think we're feeling, as we get closer and closer to the end of this project, we're feeling a lot more ready to be out on the water and committed to actually cruising and making this life what we want it to be.
worst case scenario. We've gone past that, but you know, it's only time
It's only time
and money and effort.
and energy and life spent.
It hasn't been easy, but we know that the boat is worth it and will be exactly what we want at the end.
We are definitely planning on holding on to her for a long time and sailing her for a long time into some pretty amazing places. So we hope that you stick with us. We've got a few more months left of refitting before we're back in the water, but we should be back in by next summer, and we should be heading north into some pretty epic spots.
Thank you for all of the people that have been with us for
Those of you that have come along any point in our journey, we are very grateful to have you with us and watching this with us, because it really does help to make the projects seem, I don't know, not necessarily easier, but I guess like more worth it when we know that there's other people watching and enjoying or even suffering along with us while we're doing this project.
and the encouragement that we've got from our Patreons, and especially our Patreons.
Yeah.
And just the comments in the YouTubes helped us continue to push ahead with this project, because it has been daunting, and every little bit helps.
We appreciate all of you. We hope you stick around for the rest of this project and for our adventures to come. And
We're looking forward to getting back in the water.
we really are. Yeah. So, yeah. We'll see you guys next week.